Hi, I'm Richard Harpur and welcome to this Pluralsight course, DevSecOps, the big picture. We are now in the midst of a major software transformation. This transformation is empowering software engineers to build secure software. Just like agile practices enables developers to build quality in, DevSecOps enables developers to build security in. This course is a big picture course. It is designed to give you a solid, high-level understanding of DevSecOps concepts. It is the perfect launchpad for you to start your DevSecOps journey. After completing this course, you will understand the major concepts of DevSecOps, how it enhances the DevOps process, and how it empowers developers. In this course, you're going to learn what is DevSecOps, including the DevSecOps Manifesto. What are the benefits from implementing DevSecOps? How DevSecOps can enhance a typical software development lifecycle, and how developers gain more control and become empowered. You will also learn the difference between fact and fiction when we debunk some common DevSecOps myths. You don't need to have completed any other training before you start this course. I have no doubt your organization will benefit from DevSecOps, so I'm delighted you're going to join me on this course. Let's get started.